a new half term. We hope that everyone had a nice, lovely break, but we're ready to go for this half term, and there are lots of things happening. If you think about it, we have our parents' evening call, so your parents are going to talk to your teachers to see how you're doing in school. We have our week of being healthy, and lots of things happening during that week around being healthy, but also anti-bullying and Remembrance Day. Fantastic. Then we're going to have a week of gratitude. We always have our week of gratitude to help me with remembering all the things that we're grateful for in our lives before we start our Christmas celebrations that happen at the end of the term. So there's lots of things happening this half term. Are you ready? I know I am, and I'm really excited. Now today this week our focus is on creativity. Now creativity is really helpful for your mind. Yes, creativity. Lots of you are very creative, and sometimes as we get older, sometimes we forget about being creative. There are lots of ways to be creative. Let's look at some of the ways you can be creative. Creativity is about thinking of new things, doing new things, having ideas, having fun while you're doing it. It can be original and new. It can be a solution to a problem that you might have or other people might have. Sometimes when we're creative, we just have to think about it for a bit and allow the ideas to flow. There are a lot of benefits of being creative. It gives you some childlike freedom, wonder, playfulness, helps your self-expression. It's a good stress reliever. Having new ideas helps us to do more learning later on as well. It allows us to be the person that we're meant to be. It increases our confidence. It's fun-filled, and it allows us to experiment, and it's safe to make mistakes. Some of the ways we can be creative is by making up stories and creating and acting, building with Lego. How many have done that before? Or maybe with blocks and sticks to create something a bit different and new. Oh, one of our favorites is just taking all sorts of materials and creating new things. For some, it's painting. You can enjoy that. Or drawing and coloring and making wonderful, beautiful pictures. It doesn't matter what it is as long as you create it. And sometimes sharing our creativity with the adults in our families helps. And making up stories that you can share with other people. Things that might be able to use later on. Oh, how about making things out of clay? This is fun. Or acting, being actors, putting on clothes and just performing, enjoying it. Or what about making art in nature? This is some of the things that our teachers have made. My favorite thing to do is to crochet using needle and yarn. Some people love making up songs and singing, while others enjoy being creative by writing a new story. All right, lots of ways there, aren't there? Creativity helps us to feel better. It helps us to make us feel relaxed and calm. So when you're doing something, sometimes you need to remember that you're doing it just for fun, just to be enjoyable. Now, you also need to remember that sometimes you gotta try new things to be creative. You don't know what you like doing in your spare time if you don't try new things. I've tried loads of new things. My list goes on and on forever because I really think, let me see if I can do that. And if I do, I continue doing that. Now, that is what your challenge is this week. I want you to do some creative things this week. It might be writing a story or making up a story, or it might be doing a drawing, or maybe some outdoor artwork. How exciting would that be? Maybe it might be get someone to teach you to do something new, like crochet or knitting or doing quilling work or whatever it is. I want you to think of something to try out that's creative. Use your imagination, and I want you to enjoy it. Don't worry if you're not really good at it at first. Just enjoy it. Things don't have to be perfect. When we enjoy things, when we relax, it helps our minds, and it helps us to be able to do things that need more concentration later on. We should do something creative every day. I wonder if you can do that. Okay, everyone. For our year being healthy, creativity is our focus. Please share some of the creative things you have been doing. Share them with your teachers, share them with me, put them on Tapestry, put them on Twitter, whatever it is. It's time for us to share how we have been creative. All right? Have a good week, everyone. Bye.